Welcome to our video on how to survive a king cobra. The king cobra is one of the most feared and respected animals in the world, known for its venomous bite and deadly reputation. In this video, we'll explore the world of the king cobra and provide you with valuable tips and techniques on how to survive an encounter with this magnificent but dangerous snake. The king cobra is a majestic and powerful creature, known for its length of up to 5 meters, 16 feet, potent venom, and ability to lift up to a third of its body off the ground to launch an attack. Found in India, South China, and Southeast Asia, these snakes inhabit a range of habitats, including bamboo thickets, high-altitude grasslands, forests, mangrove swamps, and rivers. While their venom may be less potent than other snakes, they inject it in high quantities, with just one bite delivering enough neurotoxin to kill 20 people or even an elephant. The first step in surviving a king cobra encounter is to know how to identify the snake. The king cobra is easily recognizable by its distinct appearance, which includes a broad hood and a long, slender body. Its color can vary from brown to black, with pale bands on its body and a yellow or cream-colored belly. The king cobra is also known for its distinctive hissing sound, which it makes by expelling air from its lungs. Surviving a king cobra attack requires knowledge of their behavior and habitat. These snakes have excellent eyesight and can spot a moving person from nearly 100 meters, 330 feet, away. When encountering a king cobra, it's important to move away with caution, as they may already be on the defensive. These reptiles are generally shy and want nothing to do with humans, unless their eggs are threatened. The king cobra is the only snake that builds nests, and they will defend them aggressively. If cornered and an attack is imminent, standing up to the king cobra may be effective. However, if this doesn't work, it's important to use whatever is available to defend oneself, such as throwing sticks or rocks to scare the snake away. It's also crucial to seek medical attention immediately if bitten, as respiratory failure can occur within 30 minutes of a bite. Specific king cobra anti-venom is necessary, and while a tourniquet may reduce the spread of venom, it can also result in severe necrosis, potentially leading to amputation. Immobilizing the bitten limb and seeking medical attention promptly is crucial. While encountering a king cobra in the wild is rare, the danger posed by these snakes underscores the importance of understanding their behavior and habitat. In South America, Snake Island is home to a variety of deadly snakes that are always on the hunt, making survival a challenge. Understanding the behavior and habitats of these creatures can mean the difference between life and death in these dangerous environments. Thanks for watching our video on how to survive a king cobra. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Remember, the key to surviving a king cobra encounter is to remain calm, avoid provoking the snake, and seek medical attention immediately if you are bitten. With the right knowledge and techniques, you can increase your chances of surviving an encounter with this formidable reptile. Be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll do our best.